Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll open this box. This is a DE10-Lite Intel FPGA board. I'll open this box and show you two guys. I bought this. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll open this box. This is a DE10-Lite Intel FPGA board. I'll open this box and show you two guys. I bought this board from, it's not from Amazon, it's from the Intel manufacturer. It's from the real manufacturer. This is $50 for students. So if you're a student or an educator, you can get this for $50. If you go to the manufacturer side, it's only $50, but in other companies, they might sell it for more than $50. So I think you should contact with the manufacturer and you can get only for $50. In this box, they just gave me this connector and this FPGA board, and it's gonna come in this kind of box. And on the back of the box, you could see all the infos they provided in here. So you could know like what are the stuff in here. So I'll just introduce what are each of the things in this board. So as you guys can see in here, this is 5-volt power USB blaster. So to connect this USB blaster, they'll provide this connector. When you look at this, you're gonna understand that this is a 5-volt power USB blaster. So this one connects here. You can connect it in here and connect the other USB wire with your computer and easily power on this FPGA board. And next I'll be showing you guys, there is another, you can see here. After looking at the pins, you can say that it's a 4-bit resistor VGA connector. So if you have the VGA connector, you can connect it here and connect it with your computer, or else you could do it with the 5-volt USB blaster. Next, I'll be showing you guys here. You can see this. These are 7-segment displays. If you're working with this board, you're gonna see some kind of characters or numbers on these displays. Also, the FPGA board contains these GPIOs, and they also provide with Arduino connectors in here, some of them, and some of them are in here. And you can see that there are some switches. There's like 10 switches that this FPGA board comes with, and these 10 switches, you can use these 10 switches. And also they provide with 2 push buttons in here, and these are the LEDs in here. On the top of the switches, these are the LEDs that they provide with. And now I'm gonna show you guys the jumper wires that you need for those connectors. You'll need this type of jumper wires for the Arduino connectors. So you can see that in these holes, you can put this. These are for the pins. You can use these jumper wires for the pins. And as these are Arduino connectors, I'll show you guys with the Arduino board. And here you can see I bought this Arduino board from Amazon. It's only $22. And you can see here that Arduino board also contains pins. So if you have this type of connectors and your FPGA board, you can see you can connect easily this FPGA board with the Arduino. So if you connect it here, you're gonna connect it with the Arduino board, and you can see using this jumper wires, you're connecting 2 boards together. So I connected 2 boards together, and these are a bunch of jumper wires that I have. These are for those GPIO. These are for these GPIOs, and you can have these jumper wires and you can use these jumper wires to connect with the GPIOs. You can see these are not like these jumper wires. These are different jumper wires that we need for this side. I have a bunch of them. I'll take one. And you can see I can connect it to my GPIO because there is a space in here. You can see that I connected it, and now if I want, I can connect the other leg, the other side with the Arduino. So this is the advantage of FPGA board. They provide lots of LEDs, sliding switches, and also push buttons. So you can get 2 types of buttons in here, like push buttons and also the sliding switch, and also a display in here. It also provides with 2 connectors, which is VGA connector and a USB blaster connector. And using these different types of jumper wires, you can connect it with any boards that has these pins.